So, Toyota MMT Semi-Automatic. This is the Yaris diesel, but it's no matter. For every MMT system by Aisin, it has system by Aisin. What we have? We have the car with some problems, not problem one, problems. Oh, look at this. 3 trouble codes. And what to do? 3. But which one is the active? Is the current? How to understand? What need to do? Maybe, or what don't need to do? Yeah. So let's understand. And for this we have scanner. Yeah, diagnostic. First we need to do good diagnostic and think what's wrong with the car and what need to do. I have the text stream, but any scanner will show you the same. Hotel, lounge, another one. Every scanner will show you the same like text stream. But I'm using the text stream. Okay, it's original by Toyota. Okay, so what we have? We have 3 trouble codes. Brake switch. It's a brake switch here. P0810 clutch position control error. It means we have some problem with the clutch actuator. And some of scanner make translate not good. It say clutch sensor problem. And everybody start to change the sensor on the clutch actuator. But it's not this. It say clutch position controller. It means that it cannot control the position of the clutch. Okay, this we will talk about this, yeah. And this trouble code, P0905. It's gate select. It's this code about problem with the gear shifting actuator. Yeah. So what 3? And what need to resolve 3 problem and the car drive, but sometimes not drive. And need to resolve 3 problems? No, it's some of problem is not active. Let's check. We have this. You see what we have? We have current, pending, and history. And as you can see, the first code about the brake switch is in the history. Why? Because it was this problem resolved, but trouble code still in memory. And I found in the car, look at this. It's a brake switch, yeah. Them changed it, but not erased the code. And it stay in memory, so we don't need to do nothing. We need to do nothing with this trouble code. We just will erase it. Okay. Now the second code, P0810. It's the current. It means that we have some problem or the clutch actuator or with the clutch or both of them. And sometimes possible to click twice. If we have this symbol, so it will, we can check what condition was that this code is appear. This code is stored in memory, but I think here not possible. Double click. Yes, it's not saved the condition. Okay, so in this case, in any case, need to repair the clutch actuator and maybe need to change the clutch and grinding the bushing, all this. Yes, and the next one, the next trouble code is P0905. This code means it's the problem. It's for the sensor, bad wire, bad contact in some of the sensor of the gear shifting actuator. But I don't think that is sensor. Maybe it's rusty, maybe. Because we don't have red light and the car will drive. For example, if the sensor will not okay, the car will not drive and the red light will not going off. It happens, it often happens, and it show us this code. So it means we have or bad contact or bad wire. 100%. It's checked, yeah. And how? So we need to resolve this this problem. It's often, but not always. You can drive maybe few days, maybe 1 week, maybe months, and it will no code. Because when the contact not good, we have the code. But this, it will not drive a long time, because it say that the clutch actuator is stuck on some of time. It will stuck, for example, today, tomorrow, and after tomorrow the car will stay. So we need to resolve this problem and this problem. How to resolve, how to did repair, and how to change the clutch. I have a lot of video. I have video how to repair clutch actuator in home, that you changing the bushing, you checking it. Okay, no problem. Also, I have full technology how to rebuild, how to do manufacture condition of the clutch actuator. I also can share with you this technology, no problem. Message me, and it's not for free, but it worth it, yeah. And the second trouble code, in next video I will show how to resolve this problem. I will show full guide how to do it. Yes, but I resolved that a lot. Yes, it's possible. It's not complicated. Just need more patience here. So that's all, and see you in next video.